Hi guys, take a look at this motor. It's from a vacuum cleaner. It's supposed to be a combined motor, so you can run it on AC or DC. I'm gonna run it on DC. Let's start with 8 volts. You see that? It needs 8 volts. 7 is not enough, so minimum of 8 volts. And take a look at the amperage. This is let's say 1 amp. So whatever I do to it, it keeps drawing 1 amp. So let's now that's interesting and cool, because whatever you do to it, it just keeps drawing 1 amp. It's supposed to be like that. But what I'm gonna show you guys is the accuracy of those two multimeters. So what I'm gonna do is first you select the right holes, the 10 amp hole. Be sure to do that or you will blow the fuse. And what you're gonna do then is you take the lead from the multimeter. I'm gonna do the yellow one, and you connect it in series with your power supply in the motor. Let's see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. This is the blue one, and there's a black lead onto it. No, that's okay. What I'm gonna do, the blue one, I'm gonna connect in series. So I'm gonna put the lead here, the positive wire. Let's see, I got a positive wire that is just connected, as you can see, straight to the motor. So I've got it connected in series now. Let's put it on 10 volts. And now we're gonna see what the multimeter says. Check it out. It's not doing anything. Probably did something wrong. This lead wasn't connected. So what I'm gonna do is let's see, that one is there. I'm gonna connect the red lead. Now this has to be like this. I'm getting a bit confused now, because the red lead should be connected in series. Let's see, there's 1, there's 2. Yeah, I think I did this wrong. I'm gonna leave the black one, and I got the blue lead and the red probe. So if I connect those, it should work. Nothing yet. Did I do this? Oh, I forgot to put it on. So that was my fault. So there. And you see the 1 amp? The 1 amp here, 0.96. And the 0.96 over there. So the accuracy is very good on this meter. See what I did? 1 amp. Okay, so the yellow meter is fine. Now we're gonna try the black meter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna switch out the probes to make it easy for myself. This is black. This is the red one. Let's see, where's the cam? Yeah. And that should connect to the blue lead. Now let's see, let's try it. Let's see what it says. There you go. Can you see it? 0.94. My power supply says 0.94. So they're both good. Let's see what happens if I put it on 15.97 and the black one says 0.96. So, conclusion, 2 perfect multimeters and a perfect reading on my power supply. That was the video for now. This is Captain Prototype and we're signing off.